Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to save a video from the Photos application to your OneDrive using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Photos application which is built into the Mac computer, as well as OneDrive. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Photos application. Search for this, enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now go within Library. Navigate to a video that we will be using for this video. Highlight the video, then go to File. Now go to Export, One Video. Leave everything the way it is. Click on Export. This will now directly export to the desktop. Click on Export. As you can see, that video is now exporting. Has been exported. Minimize the Photos application for the moment. And then we have that video on the desktop that was exported in 4K. Let's now quit QuickTime Player. Go all the way around to the dock. Go to Finder. Now go to OneDrive for Computer Science Videos. Go to that folder called Photos 2024. Click on this. Highlight the video on the desktop. Right click. Copy. And then go to Finder within Photos 2024. Right click. And now paste item. And that video is now synchronizing to the OneDrive cloud storage. Once synchronized, it will show up on screen that the video and its sync has now been completed. So there we have it on screen. Now let's minimize Finder for the moment. Now let's go around to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome, click on this, enter to open up the web browser. Now let's go to office.com. Make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Applications, go to OneDrive, go to My Files, and then go to Photos 2024. And then we have that video, which is called video.mov. Click on this. And there we go. So we have now exported a video from the Photos application and then save this to cloud storage via Microsoft Office 365. And we can now quit Google Chrome, go all the way around to the dock, go to Finder, quit Finder, go to the dock again, go to the Photos application, quit Photos. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.